Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Low mileage Seat Alhambra, it's a 2-litre TDI Ecomotive. It's an S, it's Euro 6 stop-start ULEZ compliant. 55,000 miles. One owner from new, lease company vehicle. We have a full computer printout of full maintenance, lots of services, lots of, the usual tyres, etc. But a full printout. There's no money being spared on this vehicle. It's been very, very, very well maintained, and it comes with that printout. Cam belt's been replaced. It's had 8 services, and the cam belt was replaced at the 41,000 mile service, and it's now done 55, and it's one owner, and we haven't cleaned it yet. This is as it came in. It's lovely, beautiful, original, no dents, no scratches, alloy wheels. Obviously it's a 7-seater, comes with 2 keys, parcel shelf is in the boot, rear park sensors, alloy wheels and paintwork are all in lovely, lovely condition. Drives like a brand new car. Front park sensors, not covered in stone chips or anything, but 55,000 miles, one owner, 8 services, and had the cam belt done at 41,000 miles. Got carpet mats in it. We will give it a valet inside because I think the seats will come up a little tiny bit cleaner, but generally it is super clean for a car of this age. Obviously got Bluetooth, DAB radio. Okay, sliding side doors on these. Plenty of room for the people in the second row of seats. Rear climate control down there. These seats shoot forward for easy access to the rear. Sorry about the hedge cutter, it's the noise in the background. You can fold the 2 rear seats down into the floor, but they're in the up position at the moment. Load covers in there, super clean. Great vehicle this, Euro 6, ULEZ compliant, 7-seater, economical, very well maintained, going to last a long time, really, really nice to drive. Someone can get a lot of use out of this vehicle. We carry on having the oil change like it's had the oil change. It'll last forever. Show you in here. Super, super, super. The seat forward, show you how simple it is to gain access to the rear seats. Very, very, very that easy. Electric windows, electric mirrors, heated mirrors. Driver's seat, we'll give it a clean, but it's clean anyway. Multifunction steering wheel. Electronic climate control. Electronic handbrake. Lovely thing that, fitted mats. Last service at 53,000, now done 55,000, cam belt at 41,000. 8 services, 2 keys, 1 owner from new. Please visit the price, 11,995, £11,995. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk, that's our website. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we have produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you'll get a little notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You will be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car in, if you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.